Hi there, what is your name?
My name is Madison Solomon.
Okay, Madison, why did you want to come out today to this sewing class?
Well, actually, it was a surprise for my grandma, but I'm also learning how to sew. Because I'm also learning how to sew, so really for my dolls, so I can make clothes for them.
Oh my goodness.
And really, it would make it easier. So when I learned how to use a sewing machine, it would make it easier for me to sew. Because my hands, it takes a lot of work with my hands.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
And because it's so small, I have to hold it while stitching. And then sometimes you just make the wrong thing and you're going to have to take it out all the way.
Do you have a sewing machine?
No.
Okay, but you want a sewing machine. Okay, very good. All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.